Hi guys, please welcome MANOLI cast iron skillet with removable wooden handle. No more worries, as you will no longer burn your hands using the MANOLI skillet at home or outdoors. The MANOLI skillet is made of a single piece of cast iron and has a natural non-stick coating. All the food will be quality cooked. The MANOLI cast iron skillet is perfect for cooking products from baked goods to meats and desserts. MANOLI is a user-friendly skillet for all types of hobs, ovens and campfire. Thick walls are resistant to temperature deformation. High-quality materials allow to use the skillet for more than 10 years. You can eat right from the skillet without worrying about scratching it. It can be easily cleaned by any means and devices, thanks to its removable handle. Our skillet doesn't need much space for storage. MANOLI, more than just a skillet.